Storytime with Nia. I'm Nia Kendall, and I'm going to share with you a little story.
Super cougar, she's gonna come save you like she'll always do when you need her to, 'cause somewhere near the dome there's Coug.
Since 1880, local superhero Super Coug has been keeping the Academy safe. It's been a full-time job, from helping people to not slip on the sometimes frosty sidewalks and ramps, to making sure lockers are safe from lunchtime borrowing. After 140 years, Super Coug is getting a little tired. Will you help Super Coug by bidding on our funded item? Your donations will go towards the following in our new athletic complex and underground parking garage: winter weather heaters that melt ice on the entry and exit ramps, security cameras on every floor, security gates and booth, Code Blue emergency call boxes, first responder system. Thank you. This is Nia Kendall, signing off.